How can we experience restful sleep? We spend nearly one-third of our lives sleeping, so getting a peaceful and sound sleep is a crucial matter. Comfortable sleep significantly enhances the quality of our lives in an astonishing way. In this video, we have gathered solutions for you to have a calm sleep. 1 hour before bedtime, no phone or computer usage. When you go to bed, don't take your phone with you and avoid watching TV. About 1 hour before bedtime, avoid from using electronic devices. If you really can't sleep and are looking for entertainment, I recommend reading a book. Illuminate your bedroom with soft light and engage in reading. However, don't bring magazines to bed, as they are filled with various headlines that can engage your mind. Allow your mind to relax and avoid getting involved with different things before sleep. Limit your daily sleeps. If you have trouble sleeping at night, it's better to limit your daytime naps. They make it difficult to sleep at night. Avoid stimulants after sunset. Coffee, various non-alcoholic carbonated drinks, and even caffeine-containing chocolates should be avoided after sunset. Caffeine is a potent stimulant that can keep you awake. Don't drink alcohol before sleep. Avoid drinking alcohol at dinner or in the evening, and don't drink it thinking that it will calm you down. Have a light meal before bedtime. Eat a light meal, including bread and fruit, 1 or 2 hours before bedtime, which can have positive effects. Additionally, a warm glass of milk can be beneficial. Avoid consuming sweet foods that may stimulate the body or heavy foods that could exert pressure on the body. Initiating meditation for the first few times may be challenging, and maintaining focus might be difficult. However, simply continue practicing for a while until you reach a high level of relaxation. Take a short walk. At first, in the evening or at night, exercise a little, which is not necessarily exhausting. By doing this, your body temperature will rise. When this temperature starts to decrease, it can cause a person to sleep. Also, exercise can provide the deep and complete sleep that the body needs. Take a warm bath. A bath taken 4 or 5 hours before bedtime raises body temperature. As the body temperature decreases afterward, you may feel a sense of fatigue, making it easier for you to fall asleep. Thank you for joining me in this video. I hope you will experience a peaceful sleep by following these tips. In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye.